Alright, I'm doing a product review of some LED lights that will work in my Toyota Sienna minivan. These are 9006 model. So I'll open the box here. Show you what they look like. These are SEALIGHts, 6-month warranty, the instruction manual, and how to connect them and all that. So yeah, I'll show you what the lights look like here. Okay, so these come with the harnesses on the back here. So they just plug right up. The 9006 HB4, which will work on my minivan. It's got a little fan on the back to help keep it cool while they're working. Yeah, these are pretty sharp. And here's the other one. Now these, the company that makes these has several different models, actually quite a lot of them that'll probably fit many of the vehicles out there. Also inside the box is a pair of work gloves. So that's pretty neat. You don't want to get your hands dirty. So yeah, I want to go ahead and install these in my minivan and wait till it gets dark. We'll test them out. Also comes with some zip ties so the wires don't get in the way or they don't rattle around, you know, make any noises that you can hear inside the vehicle. Yeah, I believe these are double-sided sticky tape for the metal pieces there to keep them from rattling around. So yeah, this is a pretty neat kit. So I'll go ahead and install these in my minivan, and yeah, again, we'll test them out when it gets dark. Alright, that one was pretty easy. We'll go to the next one. Alright, so that one's in right there. And there's the other one, next to the fuse box there. So yeah, we'll go ahead and wait till night and we will test these out. Alright. These look really good. Alright, well, let's take a look and see what they look like at night, driving on the road. Oh yeah, these are really nice. Yeah, these light up the road I like these a lot. They definitely are much brighter than the standard halogen bulbs that are made, factory made for my van. And it lights up the signs real good so you can see what's upcoming. Yep, there you go. Testing some new headlights in my van, and they are very nice. It now being completely dark, my security light's off. There you go. There's, looks like a bug crawling on my windshield. But yeah, these are very bright. There's the high beams. Well, the low beams work just fine. I really don't even need to use the high beams. So yeah, these are really, really good lights. I like them a lot. I'll definitely be putting them to use whenever I'm driving at night for sure.